everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is how to make this gorgeous vintage shabby chic photo frame where I will show you how to make the base, how to do this beautiful filigree work along with these cute, lovely shaded quilling flowers. It's looking very vintage and very beautiful. You can just make it stand to decorate your rooms and you can gift it to someone special. So let's get started. Here I am taking this 14 by 14 centimeter cardboard piece, and from all four sides I have created the margin of 2.5 centimeters and made the square. So we just need to cut this center square to make the frame using any paper knife. And the frame is ready. Now to cover the frame I am taking this 120 GSM white color sheet, just adding little glue and I am covering it from all the sides. Similarly, I am going to cover the remaining parts from inside, and now I am just adding these outer strips. So frame is ready. Now I am adding these three mount board strips from three sides so that we can slide our photograph from top. These are 1 centimeter in width and height is according to the frame size. So this is done. Now to cover this I have created this base which is 14 by 14 centimeter. This is again one mount board piece and I have covered it with white color sheet. Now I am just adding little glue on these strips and sticking the back side. So the frame is ready. Now we can slide our photograph from top very easily. Then I will show you how to make the filigree designs. Here I am taking this beautiful mold which I have ordered from Amazon, and here I am taking Sakura air dry clay, just adding little bit of water into this to make it more soft and wet. Now just start filling the mold using this clay slowly, and you can just rub little amount of water using your fingers on top of this to make it more smooth so that you can easily spread it inside the mold. So it's covered completely. Allow it to dry for 5 to 6 hours. And now it's dried. So I will just demold it. Now rotate your mold and start demolding it slowly from one direction. Like this. It's very light in weight and fragile, so you have to be very careful. Oh, it's broken little bit, but not to worry. I will just fix it up by adding glue, and the beautiful filigree design is ready. Similarly, I have prepared 4 corners and 4 big filigree designs. I have used this mold to create these corners, and we need total 2 these big designs, and remaining 2 I have trimmed little bit. So this is the big one, and I have trimmed both the corners to create little short in size. And similarly for the bottom one, I have trimmed the upper part as well, and also the sides, and it will come in the bottom so that we can stand our frame easily like this. Now it's time to assemble everything, so I am attaching all the filigree work on frame. Similarly, I will attach remaining corners like this. So it's done now. It's time to do little shabby chic work, and to make it more vintage, I am using here dark brown color chalk paint. Add lots of water into this and fill this color inside the molded design, so that all the intricate portion will be covered using this color. Vintage color is near to browns or beige, so that's why I'm using here dark brown color chalk paint. If you don't have chalk paint, you can also use acrylic color. Similarly, I will fill the remaining portion. So it's done. Now I'm taking a little bit of white chalk paint on my flat brush, and here I'm doing the dry brushing technique. I'm applying the white color only on the top portion of the molded design and just highlighting it little more, so the all intricate filigree part will come out very well and it will look more nice, just like the wooden carving work. It's looking so pretty. And this is done. Very, very beautiful, isn't it? Now I will start making the stand of the frame. So for this I am taking this white color cardstock strip. I have just joined two strips together to make long strip, and I will just show you the dimensions. This measures 34 by 6 centimeters, and from left side I have creased on 8 centimeters, 22, 26 and 30 centimeters. So after folding all the creases, it should look like this. Okay, now I'm going to add glue on these folded parts from top and from the bottom. Then taking back my frame, and I will just stick this exactly in the center, burnishing it very well using bone folder. And now you can easily stand your frame on the desk. Now it's time to make the quilling flowers. So I have already prepared some petals. Now I will show you how to make this. For this I am taking 1.5 strip of white color in 3 mm and making one tight leaf shape. My one strip length is 45 centimeters. Now to do little shading work, here I am taking pink watercolor and just applying it in the one corner of petal and spreading nicely using water. So you will get beautiful shaded petal. So in total we need 7 petals to make one flower. Now I am joining all the petals together. Then to make center part of the flower, I am taking 2.5 strip of light pink color in 3 mm, making one tight coil. Just sticking this tight coil exactly in the center of the flower. And then on top of this I am adding 10 mm half cut pearl. So flower is ready, allow it to dry. Similarly I have prepared one more flower, and after drying just push it into your palm to make it 3D. Now to make leaf, I am taking here half strip of light green color and making one bended leaf shape. Similarly I have prepared one more, so just joining both the petals together to make leaf. Similarly we need total 4 leaves. Now taking back my frame, and I will start decorating this. Here I am taking this beautiful crochet lace which is ready made, and then I will add my handmade flowers. Then in between I have these beautiful pink color ready-made pollens, so I'm just tucking it behind the flower, and also I will decorate this with leaves. Like this, allow it to set. Now I'm just sliding one photograph from top very easily. You can use this frame to gift in anniversaries or birthdays, or you can put your own photograph, and you can decorate your room with this vintage photo frame. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.